Welcome back to the puresilverjoy YouTube channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a moon pendant at home using silver clay. If you love silver clay jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us on Instagram at puresilverjoy. Let's get started. First, grab 10 grams of silver clay. Knead it really well to get rid of air bubbles and make sure the moisture is even throughout. Then, use a pressing board to roll it into a ball and flatten it. Next, take different-sized ball stylus dotting tools and gently press onto the silver clay to create the moon's cratered surface. If you want, you can also add gemstones for a little sparkle. Just make sure the gemstone is embedded deeply enough in the silver clay to prevent it from falling out after firing. Once the texture is done, use a round cutter to cut out a round moon shape. To add more dimension, I used 3 small round cutters to make extra holes, plus one for threading a silver chain. Now, take the leftover clay, roll it into balls, flatten them, and then cut out 3 small circles. For 2 of them, I used a brush to dab silver clay paste onto the surface, giving it a textured, uneven look. Once they're semi-dry, lightly sand the edges and attach them to the moon pendant using silver clay paste. Make sure to brush off the silver powder on the surface. After everything is completely dry, it's ready for firing. We used a kiln at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you want to use a gas stove instead, check out our gemstone ring tutorial, where we explain the gas stove firing process in detail. Just make sure to control the temperature carefully so it doesn't get too hot. Once fired, gently use a steel brush to remove the white oxidized layer. Then use a polishing stick to finish the moon's surface. For a more matte look, use the rough side. For a smooth, shiny finish, use the white side. Once that's done, your beautiful moon pendant is ready. A quick tip for this video. If you're paying close attention, you might notice the gemstone turns slightly yellow after firing because it's sensitive to heat. To avoid this, you can pre-test it by heating it with a torch for 5 to 10 seconds before using it. If you want to try making your own silver clay jewelry, head over to our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop. We've got beginner-friendly kits with all the tools you need to get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. We'd also love to see your creations or hear what you'd like us to make next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!